So guys, I'm going to explain you all about the code question number 37, and in the question number 37 I'm going to explain you about calculate the sum of digit of a number. So the step 1 is like in this step you define the input number for which you wanted to calculate the sum of digit. In this example we set the value of 123. Come to the step 2. Now we have to convert the number into a string. So here you convert the number to string using the toString method. This step is necessary to work with individual digit of the number. Come to the step 3. Step 3 is equal to sum is a variable where we all accumulate the sum of digit. Come to the step 4. In this step you use a for loop to iterate through each digit of the number. For each digit you convert it to an integer using parse int and add to the sum. And step 5 is finally you use console.log to display the sum of digit for the input number. When you run this code, input 123 is 6. Sum of digit of 123 is 6. So that is all about question number 37. Let's wait with the question number in 30.